How's it going? Part 2, baby! Basement trains. The train club downstairs.
Yay!
As Isaac was saying, hopefully they let us video. We don't know if they will or not, because it's a private club, but we'll find out. Anyway, if they do, part 2. Woohoo! Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Ah! Yeah, my 6'11" hat. I got Mr. Snakey here. He buckled himself.
He buckled himself?
Yeah, with his whole body.
Model train show and big sale. Free stuff and door prizes. That's where we're going, right, bud? That's pretty awesome.
This train used to run by the train station.
Yeah. Only so often do you round a corner and find a missile.
Are you doing?
I am.
Oh, that is a beautiful thing, right?
Isn't it? Oh, it's a Jupiter missile. Yesterday I called it an Atlas missile. I was wrong.
There's a model train running. Oh.
Yeah, there is. I want to look up inside this thing now. Whoa. That's awesome. Don't you think, Buddy Boo?
Yeah, I'm looking for
Remember how to get there? Let me see that sticker.
I don't know, I don't think they stick on.
It's upside down, but it's alright.
Well, if it comes off, put wings on.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright, look at that, bud. You got a pin, too. Oh, look at the hats.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, we can go lower on that set.
Awesome. What scale is that?
Tiny scale.
That's it. Look, bub.
Do you have a layout now?
We're working on one.
What scale?
HO. The problem is I made the table too big. I don't know if I can afford to fill it up. It's like 12 feet long.
That's why all this stuff's cheap.
Exactly. Yeah, we'll get something, most definitely. Look at this. Right, we got it. This is not running. It's got a motor. It's got a motor in it. I can feel it. So you won't be able to run it.
Yeah, I really wish
There's
I
the
could
tender
have
for it.
Oh, there it is.
Trucks. And this is the sheet that came, part sheet came with it.
Wow. That's kind of cool.
I really wish I had that in my mouth.
That's one of these engines right here.
It needs to be repaired. Come here, look, bud.
That's one of these engines.
Oh, wow. Check it out.
Picture here.
Look, bud.
Yeah,
That's that engine there.
We might have to walk out of here with that. There's no way I can fix it, but but it'd look good sitting on the layout. Okay, following you.
Oh, the little tiny one.
Oh yeah. That guy going faster.
Oh, I guess I should have kept him going slow while you.
No, it's okay. It's all right. We're just wandering, having a good time. Don't touch him now, you know, I'll break something.
Oh, you know.
Now that one is for kids. They can play with that one.
Oh, you can play with the controls, buddy. You can use the controls.
That's the middle track. That's the outer track. This is the inner track.
Whoa, you want to turn the outer track on?
This is Dave here. He tends to watch over it. So
Turn it
go
on.
ahead
Come here.
and play.
Come here.
Turn
Turn
it
it
on.
on.
Everything.
Turn it on.
That's just like the one you have at home, huh?
More. Turn it more. You can turn it all the way on. Yeah, and then. Oops, sorry.
That's okay, no worries. For some reason, he likes to run trains slow.
Better run that slow. That one's they're old. They're real old though. That runs slowly over here.
Nice, it's pretty, I like it.
Old ready here. Old ready.
Oh, nice.
That was going faster than that one.
You love it, Isaac? Hey, thank you, Dave. Look how small you can make a layout when you're using this scale. I like that. You could put like 3 of those in the living room. You did? No, that's a Santa Fe or something. Look at that. Yeah, there sure is. Nice. Hey, let's go see the big one.
Feel free to walk around in the other room too.
You guys don't mind if I video?
Oh, please do.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's here for your enjoyment.
That's beautiful. These are beautiful, aren't they, bud? Oh, wow. You can smell that smoke, huh? He's so excited, he's running away. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, it goes through the wall.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
This is neat.
Awesome.
I made the new exoskeleton, but I'm doing the big ones.
So you don't have to cut holes in walls?
That was a pain in the butt. There were 3 studs in one of those holes.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I was not a happy camper.
What's coming?
What is this? That is a natural.
Oh, nice. Super awesome. Nice. Going the other way, but we'll catch it again. Look at the people inside. You've put a lot into this, haven't you?
It's been about 3 years.
Three? Just three?
Just 3.
Oh, wow.
This area here for the last 3 months.
Are these your favorites?
Yeah.
I know. They're probably the most expensive ones, too.
They're not cheap.
Beautiful stuff, guys.
Pretty light back going.
Sure.
Look at that thing over there. It's got a blue there. It's red. It's red inside. Look. It's red inside.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. Well, he's in heaven.
I love it.
You know, I'm probably going to post this on YouTube if that's okay with you.
I'm fine with that. I'm on YouTube myself.
I had a feeling you might be.
Yeah.
Why don't you give me your name or something? We can mention
Well,
it.
just look up Roanoke Valley Model Railroad Club template, and you'll see my videos up there.
Okay.
That's
Would you take a look around? Yeah, absolutely.
Are you zooming?
Yeah.
That's a good angle. Right up under the roof.
Josh, will give me some smoke fluid. Yeah.
You want smoke, dude, because that drain right there didn't have smoke.
All right, let's try it again, Josh.
Where do you want to look now?
Oh, somebody
Somebody brought
got a dog.
a dog.
That's where we get the trains. There's 6, 7, 8, 10. Look.
Yeah, I remember those from last year.
Look at the doggies.
What happened? She's sniffling.
Aww.
What's her name?
She's a little, what's that?
Princess, is that her name?
Maddie.
Her name's Zuma.
It's short for Madam.
Madam. Oh, Maddie.
She is such a little princess.
Aww.
Sometimes she can be a little crisp.
Can they pet her?
There you go. Yeah, Maddie's a good girl. Just working on it.
Now we got one running.
Uh-oh.
Now we
I hear
got
one.
running. Hey, Josh.
You got a nice layout like this.
Thank you.
This is about the length of the one we have at home, huh, bud?
Yeah. We got HO
I'll
scale.
try to put on a good show for you.
Oh, nice. It's quite a control board you got there.
Yep.
Yeah, that's a lot of buttons.
Like 21 different switches, all operated by this one panel right here.
Wow, handy to have it all in one place like that, isn't it?
That's going to.
How long did it take you to wire that thing up?
Actually, this was a this layout was actually a donation to us. So the person who did this, he already did the wiring and the controls.
Oh, nice.
We just kind of built everything else. Because when we got this, it was just like a piece of plywood and track.
Oh.
So we built all of this: the dirt, the weeds, the bridge, the tunnelway.
We made the weeds out of rope.
Out of rope? Oh, yeah, I can.
Little pieces of rope and stuff, we glued them on there.
That's a great idea.
We're doing a fall season. And this is like Texas. We got
Nice.
the cattle pens, the pig pens, the chicken pens. They run the cattle around over here to the slaughterhouse. And the slaughter, put them in the cat head. Then over here, we're going to have a scrap metal yard. And back in the corner will be a hobo camp.
I love
And
it.
then right there in front of you will be our diesel facility.
Nice.
Got a cemetery back over here. That's a bed and breakfast.
You got a boot hill over there.
Yep. I'll get a hot go back for you.
All right.
Nice.
Thank you.
It's like the clock went the wrong way and just turned back to a long time ago when we were here.
It's like you're going back in time, right?
Yeah.
All the different layouts.
You want me to leave your engine on the table? You want to put your engine away?
I want to look at these. Look at these models. Wouldn't you like to set? Like,
I like trains more than a house.
yeah, but we need to build some of this stuff for the train table, right?
I know.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
I think it's beautiful.
I know with the train.
Don't drop it.
The steamy.
Which one?
The steam one. Steam train.
Okay, don't drop it. At least it's in one piece.
Yeah. And having any scattered pieces.
Happy kid.
I want to look at this for one This is broken.
That's all right. You're gonna find stuff like that.
It's supposed to be touched here.
That's all right. We can fix it if you don't
Yeah,
fiddle with it too much.
I will.
Okay?
Because it's starting to break.
Yeah, that's why you have to be gentle with it.
Starting to break. That is broken right there. And the tender wheels are broken to shattered pieces. Look at that though.
Well, let's go see if we can buy something else for your train table.
That wheel is still broken.
Thank you, sir. This is a cool place.
That one wasn't running now. It
I
is.
love it.
That one wasn't running now. It is.
Yeah, I sometimes run 2 of them at a time, but that's much faster than this, so when I get lazy, I just run one of them.
It's cool though.
Well,
Love it. Yeah, bud.
Look at this tiny steam train.
Oh yeah.
That's like Thomas the Train. That's Thomas.
That one? I like that little one too, but it doesn't seem to want to run right now. It needs some care.
It needs some care. Do you
That
want
would be
thi-
hard to fix.
Do you want this for your other engine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want that one?
I think so. If I have enough money left.
There's nothing in that pocket.
Let's go down that way, bud. See if we can buy another train car before we head
Don't
out.
forget
I
to
want to buy
take that.
another train.
Thank you.
Probably.
Wait, let's take a look. Let's take a look at what's floating around here.
Look at these. They got like a million. They got 1, 2,
I know.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They got 10 train cars.
They got a million of them.
Wow, look at that.
He gets happy so fast. Look, these engines run, son.
Oh, we can get that engine.
I have to figure out, this is really nice actually. I just have to figure out how to put a coupler on the front.
You can put it in the bag too.
Do you want that engine or do you want one of these cars? One of these tankers?
I want an engine. Because I love engines.
I hope I have $5 left on me. I think I might.
Look how many engines we got. We got that.
I don't know if I...
We got that.
Didn't you get another engine earlier?
Yeah, 2.
Okay.
I do happen to have just $5 left.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, it's been...
We need to put a spot of glue on that to keep that in there.
Yeah, we'll fix that up pretty easy, I think, that part of it. Let's see if he doesn't knock another one loose by the time we get home. I noticed that, but
Over the top of the boiler too.
you know, that's the most important one.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, Bubbers. He can't take his eyes off of it.
Well, he likes that one.
He does.
I'm glad he found a good home.
Yeah. Hey, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming.
Take it easy. Are we heading out, bud? Do you want to get a magazine?
Yeah. I want that one.
You want that one?
All those magazines are free. Take as many as you want.
Yeah. Whoa.
That just rolls itself.
No, take it from in there.
Well, if you want one that's in the front, go ahead and take it. We'll just stick another one in its place.
We don't want to make you work that hard.
There you go.
So you guys are here every Tuesday?
Every Tuesday night, yeah.
Oh.
6:30 to
And
whenever.
You let visitors come in?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cool. We didn't know that, or we'd have been coming a long time ago. Nice.
Where's my sticker?
This is for you.
I think you're. Oh, thank you. I think your sticker fell on the floor.
Yeah, it came off a long time ago.
But he gave you
Did
something.
they give you a button?
He
Yeah,
gave
you got a button,
you
didn't
something better. Look,
Yeah.
that's better than a sticker. Come on.
You want one for your hat? We got these little ones.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, why not?
Yeah,
I'll stick it on my hat.
Yeah.
Thank you. Woo.
You have to go up and then down because the concrete is down. If the concrete was up here, you can just go straight.
Talk about a bunch of scores for you. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Got what you wanted?
Yeah. I got what I wanted. I wanted like a 6 letter.
Don't fall in a hole.
I know. Those ones that are metal that are shoes I can.
Now we got to go home and put them on the track.
Yeah. We should fix this and make it work.
Maybe we can. What if we just stick it on and it automatically works? You never know.
Yeah, but look, there's a wire that's broken.
Well, that just connects to the tender, I think.
No, look, there's a wire in the bottom. That's what connects to the.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll figure it out.
And that's a wire. I know that is.
We'll figure it out. We'll show them running when we get home.
Hey guys, we're back from 6-Elevens. So I got this beautiful train here. It's beautiful. A piece fell off. We had to glue it, and this is broken, so we had to glue that. And we had to fix the wheels of the tender.
Big time score for Buddy Boo.
Yeah.
Right, Bubba?
Yeah, and it's Father's Day, so I'm gonna give Dad a surprise when we come back home.
Oh, thank you, Bubba. Anyway, that's the end of part 2. Hope you like it. What do you say, bud?
Bye.
Ciao, chicos.
Peace out.
Peace.